If I had to start with $0 creating digital products in 2025, this is the exact 5 step blueprint I would follow to make my first $1,000 fast. No fancy software, no complicated funnels, just a simple strategy that works. And I'm breaking it down step by step so you can copy it. If you're tired of overthinking and want to start selling your first product this month, this video is your playbook. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Karen. I started my digital product business in 2020 with absolute zero experience and a laptop I bought on credit. I went from clueless and broke to running 2 6-figure businesses. And now I help beginners like you create and sell simple digital products without the overwhelm. So let's jump straight into how I would start from scratch today with nothing but free tools and a plan. First things first, don't waste money on tools you don't need. If I was starting today with $0, I would use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Google Docs, or Google Sheets. That's all you need to create professional products and run a lean business. People get stuck thinking they need the perfect tech stack. But what sells is your product solving a real problem, not the software behind it. Canva has free templates, ChatGPT can help with content, Google Docs is perfect for drafts or workbooks. You don't need the fancy stuff until you start making money. Start simple and focus on creating value. And if you need inspiration for what to create, grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide. It is loaded with proven product ideas you can launch this week. The link is in the description below. Step number 2 is to find one painful problem to solve because money follows problems, not ideas. The fastest way to make money with digital products is to solve a painful I need this now type of problem. So I would ask myself, what would someone happily pay $7 to $37 to fix today? Maybe it's a meal planning kit, a content calendar, a simple budgeting template. Brainstorm what you're already good at. Something that can save people time, stress, or money. If you pick a problem people are already searching for, your product will sell itself. And let me know what's one problem you could solve with a simple digital product. Drop it in the comments and I'll give you some feedback. Step 3 is to craft a no-brainer $7 to $37 offer. Now don't build it just yet because here's the biggest mistake I see. People build a product before they even know if it's going to sell. Instead, I would craft a simple offer first. So think about your format first. Is it going to be a planner, a toolkit, a guide? Then think about the promise. What's the transformation or results that this digital product is going to give to your audience? And then think, why is it irresistible? Does it save time? Or give a quick win? Does it save money? Your goal is to make the offer sound like a shut up, take my money deal. Think about what you would instantly buy if it solved a current pain point for you. So get clear on your offer first. Building comes later. And that leads me to step number 4, which is pre-selling before creating anything. Here's where the magic happens. I would pre-sell my idea before I build anything. I would post value-driven content talking about the problem my product solves and say something like, I'm releasing this X product for $7, $27, $37, want early access? Then I would take payments through a simple checkout page like a Stan Store page or even PayPal. And if 3 to 5 people buy, amazing, I build it. If not, I tweak the offer and test again. This right here eliminates wasting weeks building something that no one buys. Pre-selling is the fastest way to validate an idea and get paid upfront, even if you're just starting from scratch. And if you want my full pre-selling strategy, check out Pre-Sell to Profit, my step-by-step course that shows you exactly how to sell before you build. Use code 24 hours for 50% off. The link is below. Then step 5 is to scale to $1,000 and beyond. Once you've made your first few sales, here's how I would scale fast. I would bundle my product with bonus templates or checklists, add a $17 to $27 bump offer, and keep selling to the same audience with fresh content angles. Because you don't need 10 different products. You need one good one with a few smart tweaks. This is exactly how I scaled a single product into $10,000 month income stream. Focus on one product, one audience, one funnel, and repeat what's working. Now, I would love to know, would you try to pre-sell your next product instead of spending weeks building it? Tell me in the comments. So remember, you don't need a big budget or a big audience to start. You need one problem, one offer, and a plan to validate it before you build it. That's how I would start from zero and hit my first $1,000. And that's how you can do it too. And if you are still here with me and you made it to the end, grab Presell Profits, use the code 24 hours for 50% off. This is where I will walk you through my exact pre-sale system step by step. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if it gave you the clarity you needed to get started today.